a glimpse of the daily beach cleaning of Old Prabhadevi Beach in Mumbai. Done twice in 24 hours every day at low tide. You can see it's absolute low tide with the water receding almost up to the Worli-Bandra Sealink bridge. This is the main storm drain disposing of all the waste of Mumbai at Old Prabhadevi Beach. This part of the beach is highly polluted, sad. A nice sandy beach, and I would have loved to swim on this beach, but sadly I can't. My house is just 400 meters away from this beach. You can see the sky rises costing a fortune. Prabhadevi Beach at 8:40 in the morning on Monday, the 17th of August 2026. There you can see the tractor akin to surfacing a pitch. It is surfacing the beach. You can see it's very clean. It's very clean. Collecting all the waste, all deposited waste. See the waste, all rags. Terrible. Here it's coming towards me.